Hello, this is a lesson from the ladies. We had some interesting things with eggs, so I'm going to follow up. We have regular eggs here. Has a regular shell. This is a brown one. I'm going to break it. Crack it open. Oh, and look at that. A nice yellow egg. Now I'll take a white one. A nice hard shell. Break it. Oh, another nice egg. Now here we have an interesting egg. There's no shell. It is not hard. It is like a little water balloon. And it is mushy. But it's an egg. But it's soft. No hard shell here. So we're going to crack this open, or pop it open, and see what it is. I'll bet it's a yellow egg. So how shall we pop it? Look at that. I think I'll just poke my thumb in. Oh, and there it is. And a perfectly good egg. Look at that. They look the same. But the shell on that one is way different than this thing. Water balloon. And these are the other eggs from the ladies. Ta-da!